Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got a quick preview of what's coming up this week and next week on my channel, plus a quick tip for you guys. So this week we're going to be looking into some 3D printing. I picked up a 3D printer over the holidays for a good deal, and I've been messing around with it a lot. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen some of the things that I have 3D printed. And I'm going to be 3D printing my first full-fledged building for you guys and showing you my process for building it. It's not necessarily a tutorial, or it's more of a, these are kind of the things that I've discovered while building this. So that's what's coming up this week. Then next week, we're going to be doing a super easy and super cheap paintless road lining method that I use that I absolutely love. I am blown away by the results of it, and I am super happy with it. So that's what's coming up this week and next week on my channel. Now, on to the quick tip. When you're getting ready to paint a large area of your layout, specifically a base layer, you might want to consider going to the home improvement store and picking up a quart of paint. You're going to have a ton of options at those stores so that you can pick just the right color. And these colors are designed to dry far more evenly than your standard hobby paints. Then you'll want to make sure that you keep your sample color so that you can go back and get sample sizes mixed up at the home improvement store. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates and quick tips like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.